Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on iPhone without them knowing. Now, it's super easy and all you have to do is this. So you want to go to your messages, for example, or your phone contacts, and you just want to find that contact you want to block. So let's say I want to block this person. I would click on the eye on the right side and click on block this caller and block contact. And that's pretty much it. But you need to know when you block a phone number or contact, they can still leave a voicemail, but you won't get a notification. Messages that are sent or received won't be delivered. Also, the content won't get a notification that the call or message was blocked. When you block an email address from mail, it goes to the trash folder. Email blocking works across all of your Apple devices. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in Shopify, I have a link in the description where you can get it for an entire month for only $1.